RTV NOF. Zomerradio. Zomerradio.
Maar ja, nog even een IL letter. Wat is er al in verloren?
Ja, we hebben meer versjes in ieder geval.
Wat meer versjes?
Meer repeteerd, ja?
Ja.
En ja, we hebben wat meer optreden zo en zo. En we zijn een cd-hond opnemen.
Wat?
Een cd-hond opnemen.
Ja. Nou, één keer herhalen even van mij. Echt weer een cd opnemen? Wat leuk. Hoe ben je daarbij kwam? Wanneer is dat begonnen? Wanneer dat spelen?
Ja, we woonden eigenlijk altijd al een keer een cd opnemen. Ja. En toen hadden mijn ouders contact opnamen met Dream Project Studios in Ieën.
Hoppa.
Bekend.
Ja, heel bekend bij ons. Ja, dus wat leuk.
Toen ben we er eerst een keer Westen spelen en toen hadden we het gewoon die in.
We gaan gewoon die in. En hoeveel nummers hebben je verwacht?
De cd komt eruit.
I see the world around me, trying to figure out the best way to survive. One of the moments I realized the whole big is that you are in my life. 'Cause I'm only sad I look up and you're standing there. Thank you for that. Mostly you're the reason for the smile appearing on my face when I see you. We're young and happy and we will be friends until we're 80 and maybe who knows? Don't they say friends are such like angels sent from above? And they're supposed to show something of God, 'cause they can make you feel special and loved. I don't know if I'm an angel, but I think you are. And when you smile, I can see it. A true smile from your soul, and it almost makes believe me that I am the only one who knows it. When you hide some tears, deep secrets and real fears you never told me, but I've got them in my mind. I don't know why, but sometimes I pray for you before I close my eyes. At night, there are some crazy things about you, and I'm not always perfect, but I think that's not what real friendship means. 'Cause in this world full of hate and war and there's no mercy, isn't it wonderful what God in friends creates? Don't they say friends are such like angels sent from above? And they're supposed to show something of God, 'cause they can make you feel special and loved. I don't know if I'm an angel, but I know you are. So if you're ever feeling sad, just call my name and there I am. No matter what happens, don't ever forget. So if you're ever feeling sad, just call my name and there I am. No matter what happens, don't ever forget that they say friends are such like angels sent from above. And they're supposed to show something of God, 'cause they can make you feel special and loved. I don't know if I'm an angel, but I'm glad you are.
RTV NOF. Zomerradio. Zomerradio.